Yes. Okay. Yes, please continue.
So whenever like we need to build the jar using the SBT package. So we're going to
Mm-hmm.
do the thing SBT compile.
Mm-hmm.
So like if you just come to SBT over here, like there is a
Yes.
run option.
Yes, you are free to oh, who is it? Sorry, just a moment. I don't know who is it, but let me admit them. Yeah, I don't know who it is, but let's continue. So what are you doing is you are starting the SBT environment, right?
So I'm trying to run the SBT run basically.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for some reason, I don't know why my SBT shell is not, yeah, I don't know why my SBT shell is, doesn't run those commands.
Okay. Or we can execute it through this also. Let me see.
So what tool do you use for for composing Scala in your site?
Yeah, same thing only.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
So we have got an internal build system. Instead of you like a here, you are using the simple SBT. There are multiple ways to do that. I mean to say you can either configure the pom.xml that happens through Maven,
Mm-hmm.
or we can just do it through there. So
Yeah.
in all, those are two things only.
Okay, so we are cleaning the cache.
So I'm just thinking of.
Yeah, it has been like that. I don't know why I cannot doing command in.
Okay, okay. So we have compiled, and what is the path mentioned over here? Classes in target.
So the class is the hello world dot Scala is my class.
Yeah, so if I see over here, this is a target. The path mentioned over here, Scala 2.11. Hello world. Can you read this path? What is the path mentioned over here? This path.
It's just the project that I am in. So basically, it's the folder where the project is contained.
I got you, but the thing here, if I just go over here in target, that's a hello world 2. So target is there, streams. So like if you just follow this path, there is one target.
Mm-hmm.
So we use Scala 2.11. That's
No, because I don't. No, because it doesn't show. See, 2.1. So maybe the Scala version is different from the one it is compiling.
but yeah, where is the location? Can you open the file altogether? Like in the let's open the Windows Explorer.
You meant like this file? Where is it contained?
Yeah, so it should be like the build is available over here. Ideally, it forms a build, but I'm not able to see it over here. Ideally, it should come. Not sure. Like, can you please go to this particular path on your? So if you see Hello World to build,
Mm-hmm.
let's click build system. So let me just track it through this.
Mm-hmm.
So if I just go to
Here, like if you want to find it outside, right?
see, then users ram.fam idea projects. So target Scala 2.11, then classes. So if you see, like we did the SBT compile, it forms the class, and the class. So I think it's 420. Right now, the class has been created, right?
No, but how do we get the type of jar in the Scala, like fat jar, thin jar, things like?
So if you see, like we run the 3 steps. We did the compilation. After
Mm-hmm.
compilation, it forms the class. Then we run this code. Then we package the code. After packaging, it basically compiles and builds the code. So now you have got this jar over here.
So is it like a fat jar or thin jar?
Fed jar, or it's basically a fed jar.
So how do you know it's a fat jar?
So like I'm not sure like what is the question over here. So this is
Oh,
basically a jar that basically Scala creates.
Yes.
And
So like
what
in
is the
Scala,
that you're referring to?
so here's my issue that I want to find out. So in Scala, you have different type of jar. So like fat, skin, thinny. So when you compile, like how do you know which one is which one? And like how do you get only thin jar and how do you get like fat jar?
Oh, okay, okay. So, okay, thin jar is nothing but dependencies. So basically, let's say you have included all the dependencies for your project, right? And and then you're building the things. Then that's called a thin jar, which is having the detailed complete dependencies. But like if you want to build a complete a program altogether, then it's a, for example, here we are executing the hello world, the print statement. So this jar contains all those things, but you just if you without mentioning, without creating the simulator object, and you simply go and in the like I mean to say that you go to SBT, build.sbt, and mention all the dependencies, and then you build it. Then the jar that is being created is called a thin jar.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
Jar
the
with
one that
only
we just
dependence called,
yes, so the one that we just finished compiling. So what is the type of jar? Is it?
so it is a fat jar basically.
Okay,
It's an
okay,
executable jar.
mm-hmm. Okay, I see. So basically, you what did you use to compile the jar? So
So we ran the three packages. Like I mean to say that we did the first of all we did the compilation, then we run it, and then we package it.
let me see again. So you use SPT run, no SPT clean first, right? SPT. Oh, okay. So you use compile and then it's compiled into the jar and then you in. Okay, I see. Okay, that's good. To let me try to test it on my server on my Hadoop platform to see how it's performed.
Sure, sure.
Sorry, please give me a minute. I need to authorize this. Mm. Okay, I guess I have to do some more. Um,
So
yes.
over here, I basically followed three steps like compile, run, and package. You can do all the things in one go. Like there's a build tab on the person's IntelliJ. So if you see build,
Oh,
like over on the top, you see like a file edit view, navigate. So over there is one build tab also, Alt B, Alt plus B. So once you click on build, it also creates the fat jar, but you need to follow through location somehow. Ideally, in this package only the location should come, but I'm not sure it's why it's not coming.
Okay, can you show me again how to use the build to do that?
So over here, like in the build, this is a build tab. This one, Alt B.
Oh, okay.
You can sorry, Control F9. You can do the compile. You can, I mean to say that you can build the project altogether. So
Mm-hmm.
build will contain a jar. Let's say if you want to clean the jar, you did certain modifications to the code. Now you want to clean the jar altogether and you want to rebuild it again. Then you go to like a build clean and it will going to start building it again.
Oh,
So
okay, I
that,
see. Okay, I think I have.
this so
I,
like this refresh button also cleans the jar and then recreates it.
okay, I see. I think I have to stop the Zoom in order to log into my network. But I
Yeah,
just want to share with you some more of the tools that I'm currently using with other mentor that maybe we can use the same also. Okay, please give me a minute. So So in this notebook, I have created a notebook named Scala. So normally, when I have questions that I need your help, I'll put it in here. Can you, after this session, can you give me my email so I can input the information here so that I can ask you? And maybe
okay,
can we meet on the Wednesday weekly so that we can discuss about the issue that I have during the week?
okay, sure.
Okay, so let me fix the time to 10 Vietnam time. So it would be 8:30 at your time. It would be all
All okay,
right. Okay.
okay,
Okay, so I cannot log into my company network now. So I'll stop the Zoom session. So please log the time for me. So let me see. Mm, yes, and I'll, oh, also there's another thing. This is the Slack channel that I'm running. It has all other tutor, but also it's a group that I create free for everyone in machine learning and data science. So you are feel free to join these events. But also it's easier for me to schedule people here because you can see like it automatically convert the time to different time. So I can schedule a time with you here and it will convert to the time of your local time.
all right, okay,
So
okay,
I need your help with two things. Number one is give me your email so that I can add you to the notebook. And number two is joining the channel so I can schedule the meeting time with you so it will remind you every time when we have the session. Is that all right?
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, so for this, you have logged the time, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
that's good. So I'll stop now. Thank you so much, and I'll send you more message on the Upwork.
All right, thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.